Hello, this is the 59th lecture of the Semantic SEO course. In this lecture, we will try to understand our supplementary content a little further. After we create our bridge and also the border between the macro and the micro semantics and the contextual zones, which reflect our main and supplementary content sections, we start to ask another question about again the hot water directly appears inside our H1 and the macro context signifier. Then we use the word beneficial, which is a different lemmatization of the word benefit. Then again, we use a what question with a certain type of predicate, which means mixing it with something else for making it even more beneficial. Here we mention the garlic, lemon, and also the honey, which means that you should definitely actually mention these things and give some ingredients and mix them and explain why it is more beneficial and for what. The thing here is that we are actually trying to link second time to the water benefits. But the thing here is that the specific water benefits in this area, it doesn't always have to be a kind of numeric value, which means that actually it will be reflected later after calculating the first initial results. We can directly link our root from here, as we said before, or this X also might reflect one of these or all of them. We can link to the actual lemon water benefits, honey water benefits, or garlic water benefits, and they all can actually link back to the first anchor text that we are using to the root in this area as well. If we didn't write them yet, from there we can also link to the specific root one more time from a different anchor text this time. So the thing here is that if you use multiple links to a specific article, the first one will be passing the relevance and the page rank. The second one won't pass the page rank, but it will still be actually conveying some relevant signals at the same time. And since you increase the clickability possibility and the crawl request of the specific route, it will be helping it to be crawled and explored further and also ranked better in a better way as well. And with that said, after we ask this specific question, then we ask another question about hot water. And this time we change the specific predicate to the root form, and we ask about the time. And here we again use the words like during dinner or after dinner, morning or night, or before sleep, after sleep. And again, we talk about the changes and the functions in the body one more time. Then we ask a Boolean question: should you drink hot water daily? And drink water daily section here is important too. We use the word you here a little more, is that it also appears directly in the 9th benefit in this area. The reason for that, it also appears inside the queries too. If you see some daily life language queries or the generated questions from the search engine, decrease the amount, but from time to time also you can use them as well. And what kinds of water can you drink hot? And in this area here, actually there is also a comment from our, let's say, dear project owner too. And in this part, we talk about tap water, distilled water, Arctic water, luxury water, mineral water, or many other types of waters we can have. And what are reasons people prefer drinking hot water? And in this case, we will again be connecting everything here to the one more time to the demography section. Why they like it, which region like it, and how do they define the hot water based on actually what degree Celsius and etc. So this is the entire contextual vector that we are using in this part, and we are touching all these specific query networks by changing how this query actually will be interpreted by the search engine as well. Why do Asians drink hot water question, for instance, directly appears in this area. Hot water is good for health, it says, or the health effects. Directly we talk one more time. Is hot water good to drink? And the good to drink here again reflects the health section, and we use the bad or the good type of antonyms and the adjectives inside our article as well. And boiled water is a type, or let's say a kind or the subkinds or the more specific type of hot water as well. We also process them too. So basically we take all the combinations and then we create this contextual vector. So in the next lecture, we will directly focus on the article methodology further, together with a little bit the anchor text. Then we will be looking at one more content brief. Then we will look at all the articles. Thank you.